Top 10, we going further. We were top 10 dead or alive. Swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Had to rate my gears, like no weird shit. By the way, if throughout the video you see me covering Ronaldo's face with emojis, the nigga told me to. I don't know why. I think he Bruce Wayne, Superman. What's that black name? Miles Morales. 1 out of 10, like, what you rate it?
10, they're not broken. Was this one the long ratio one?
Nah, it was just a regular Gen 1.
You just said the OEM ones?
Yeah.
Not bad. 75K. Big one's third, small one's fourth.
Big one's fourth, small one's third. Third, fourth, fourth, third. I know some people go with the brass synchros. What do you think about brass compared to carbon?
Lately, I've been liking the brass ones more just because it doesn't give you this fucking issue. If you're trying to race, it's not the greatest for it. It's not that hard. Like, I really felt way worse.
Oh, bro.
Only you build your car right.
Full throttle, man. This shit's broken half, bro.
Yeah, bro, show them all your f***ing well.
You got beef, bro? Yeah, we definitely don't need a new throttle, man. This shit trash. Once I completely broke all. all that shit. I can talk mad shit. Alright.
Why are you here?
Who else is in the f***ing you? Who else is in the f***ing you here though?
I'm not gonna lie, you are here.
Who else is gonna do it? Alright. Who else is gonna do it? I got no choice.
have no choice.
Yo, chill out, bro. Chill. Finally back in Orlando. Picked the motor up from South Florida. My boy Leonardo got this shit done, bro. Strapped up like a baby, fam. Yeah.
How to put that shit? Well, I take this shit out now. Put on my pinky.
It's like 400, I think.
That's it. I benched that. Literally.
Oh, fuck my fault, bro. He's dead ass too. That nigga not even joking. Where's this way's better? This way. Put it down right here, bro. Put it right here. Right here, Chris. I'm helping. Watch your toes. Please watch your toes. Please look. There you go. Hey, I just want you to
just use one of them shits.
Bro, pull some shit, bro.
Bro, everyone pointing at a different box, bro.
Just grab a tire. Just grab a tire, my guy.
None of these tires are being used because they don't fit any wheels anymore, so it don't matter.
There you go. The tire doesn't
The one that's right.
That's all you had to say, bro.
He been said.
I'm not fault, bro. Clean like glue. Damn, boy.
What happened?
How much you live, dog?
More than this.
That's a big boy.
I'll be honest. All right.
Damn.
I might buy a workout plan now.
Right?
Yeah.
Right.
That's what it's
How much Alright, here you go, cameraman. Oh, what is this? A competition? I guess if you got more than 4 cylinders, you should be able to lift it.
Stop playing with him, Riot.
Wait, I went up though. Oh, my bad, boss. We going. I'm not ending like that. It's a. Oh. Yeah.
Sword. Yeah. Sword. You see it? Hold on.
See that stance?
Oh, this I ain't gonna lie. That angle was a little too much, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Pause. When you said angle, pause, bro. I just want to get a house address, bro. This is not what it looks like, Court. This is not what it looks.
Half bro. I took a picture of it before, so we can't f up. I need Honda bond for this shit. Forgot about that. Thank you, bro. Brando helped me out and transferred over the brackets from my old motor to the new Z3. So we use the timing cover for the Z3, and the only difference between the two timing covers is that this one has 4 mounting points and this one has 3. I probably should have used that, but that one's dirty. I told Reynardo, bro, I said maybe we gotta use the Z7 timing cover, and he said nah, you can use either or. So I mean, it's 30, it's impacted in, so just 3 mounting points instead of 4. That's not a big deal, right? It's just a motor mount, right?
I mean, it's all right. Like, overrated as fuck, in my opinion. I mean,
So it shouldn't be a big deal, but this timing cover is already on the engine with Honda bond and everything, so I'm not even gonna take it off. Not even gonna worry about it. We should be good. We got all the accessory pulleys on. We don't actually. This compressor and the alternator. I think I'm gonna get a new alternator.
I gotta run y'all, boys.
What time is it, bro?
It's 11:56. They make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
I knew females were stupid, but damn.
Could have done that after we're done. It's all clean.
The only difference between this.
You got that. Floor, almost a silk. Yo, what your mama heard, you already know. This nigga's just going stupid right now. It's going stupid.
They just be going on all night.
Bro, that nigga battery don't never die.
Nah, his tire go out before his battery.
Because like when you them from the back, you can use that as like a handlebar.
Yo, hit that shit so it looks like you putting it on. Just.
Wow.
Bro, y'all niggas dropping everything.
They might still be in there cleaning up, though.
I'm not gonna lie, your pizza gone, fam. Check in the dumpster behind the place.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy pattern.